The brand sent me this LCD writing tablet for kids. I find other tablets are very bright in color, and while that can be fine, we are more of a neutral colors family, so I do like the black one better. Okay, when I pulled this stretchy string pen holder out of the packaging, I think my heart gave a sigh of relief. I have two of these tablets that do not have strings and the pens are lost. So we got other ones and they had strings, but it wasn't stretchy, and for my left-handed daughter, that was a problem. But this one is stretchy. It's the perfect combination. But this right here is probably the single best feature of this tablet so far. On the bottom, there is a lock on and off button, and that's standard with most of these tablets. It has an 8.5-inch long screen, which I think is a great size for kids. It writes so nicely, and I really just like the contrast of the black with the colors the screen produces. To put the string on, you'll just connect it to the pen itself and to the tablet. It's fairly simple to do that, and it gives the tablet an overall clean look. I think this would be great to use for drawing or even just doing some schoolwork. Let's see how my daughter uses this for her math. I gave this to my daughter while she was doing her math work, and she decided to use it to write her equations out and seems to be enjoying it. It gives kids a sense of control and makes doing math really fun. This is the best LCD tablet I have, and I have more than a few of these.